Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can use Sendit. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to use Sendit on Snapchat, first of all, you'll have to download the application from your Play Store. Since I've already downloaded the application, so all I need to do is just tap on it. So after you're done installing the application, you even have to link your Sendit application with your Snapchat. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just tap on Let's Go, which is right at the bottom. So after that, you can see there is terms and privacy, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. You can see there is a confirmation, and here it says that this app will be able to access all your information that is on your Snapchat. So in case if you're sure about it, then tap on continue. You can see that the Sendit application and my Snapchat account has been linked. Now you can see that this is what actually Sendit looks like. So you can see right in center there is an option as ask me anything. So right now what you have to do is you'll have to just tap on edit, and after you enable the settings, you can even type in your own question, or else what you can do is just simply tap on the dice, which is in the left hand side corner, and you can see that there are different kind of questions. So in case if you don't like this kind of question, you just tap on the dice and you'll be able to find multiple kind of questions right over here. And you can also see that under it there are fonts as well, so you can tap on any of it and you'll be able to access it. So after you're done setting your question or your game, just tap on done. And in case if you want to change the color, or in case you want to change the background, then tap on background, and then you'll be able to find a list of options. So select it accordingly that you like. You can see that the font as well as the background has been changed. And in order to share it, all you have to do is tap on share, which is right at the bottom. So after that, it will be shared on Snapchat. So first of all, you'll have to take a snap. So you can take a random snap that you like. So you can see that the question that you set on Sendit has been displayed right over here. So in order to share it, all you have to do is tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So from here, you'll be able to select to whom you want to send it, or you can even set it as your Snapchat story. So all you have to do is just tap on my story. After that, you'll have to tap on the arrow icon right in the corner. So all the questions and the queries you'll be receiving on Sendit application. So what you have to do is simply tap on it. So after that, you'll be directed to the home screen, and all you have to do is swipe towards the left hand side, or else you can simply tap on the envelope icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after that, all the messages and replies will be stored right over here on the inbox page. So currently I don't have it, as I'll have to wait for some times in order to receive a message. So that is how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.